So big up on yourself and people, one love and one heart. You know this part of the Salt Spring, you know? So if you don't want to know Jamaica, this is the right area, and I'm at the Salt Spring area and the Slipe area, you know? So you can get a tour from the Salt Spring, go to the Safari same way. Yeah man, Jamaica nice anywhere you go. Jamaica sweet, you know? True Jamaican vibes fire raid. So today I am in St. Elizabeth, one place them call them Timber Bridge. Yeah man, we are supposed to know them place there. If you come to St. Elizabeth, you need to visit the Slipe area. Yeah man, so I'm at the Timber Bridge area. So I'm gonna take you all into the Slipe community from Timber Bridge. So we're having some nice weather today. Yeah man, when you're at the Timber Bridge side, you can get a nice view up into the Malvern Mountain. So big up on yourself. Anyone I watch from here and abroad, you can big up on yourself. Don't know say Jamaica nice, but you know, nice, you know, but me I tell you say it's not all about too much crime and violence. I go on at the place and want back with beautiful Jamaica, man. Want back with beautiful Jamaica. Place just now go on good. Want a change. People them just do good, just do the right thing. Cause we want back with beautiful island. Yeah man, so anyway, come on the journey into the Slipe area. Yeah man. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from. Yeah, and abroad you can big up on yourself. No place like yard. No, say some of the time when I say some videos don't make sense because you don't see no pretty house. It's not all about the pretty houses. It's all about knowing the area, where to go, when to go, why to go. Yeah man, because a lot of people say them a tour Jamaica don't know the location. So them a come to Jamaica, they don't know really how that place is set up before them visit. So at least you get an idea if you know how Jamaica set up, you know. Yeah man, you can see a corner shop, you can get a red stripe beer if you buy a juice. Yeah man, we need some road in the Slipe, man. We need some road. So Prime Minister wants some road in the Slipe. Beautiful community, but the road condition is very bad. see some nice house over that place here. Very, very nice house. Yeah, talk about, man. Anywhere in Jamaica you go. Half grid. Some beautiful house there in Jamaica, man. Long forget what them black fisher for a snipe and them mud fisher. Yeah, man. Come and snipe, you can get your mud fish or your black fish. What them call them tilapia. Them fish there. Yo, man, tell us here. Them patrol are terrible. Terrible patrol, man. Boy, patrol, man. Some terrible patrol, man. I think about I know which part for government paper. I road there turn bad. One foot in and 1 foot out. Big up yourself, bossy. See, here you see a lot of touch tree. You know, some people from all over Negril, Montego Bay come all attach from them place here to make them nice hot. Big up yourself. Think the penny cook lives in that area, and big up on yourself. On your right, you have the Sly Primary School. And also the infant. So we know we're in the month of October. Think it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So all the female them they can remember if you do no regular check up and thing, you know. are now in the Catawba area. If you make the right turn, it'll take you all to Punches. Look out for stray animal in the place too, you know. Man, look out for the stray animal them. On your right, you have the Catawba Basic School. Most of the phone don't really pick up in them area like that. Can't get no signal. So enough people are look for read off of the GPS for travel some areas in Jamaica. Yeah man, the GPS don't work every place in Jamaica. Yeah man, me I tell you that. Better believe it or not. I remember if you blow no hand to you know, because I'm sure me saw a bridge and fly come through the bush here. So no blow no hand because man know so when I come to so him can clear the road. You have to drive for others on the road, you know. You can't drive for yourself. So we are now in the Salt Spring area. Yeah man, with the Salt Spring, you know. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.